Alright, so today just basically showing you, rather than doing the unboxing thing, I've already unboxed them, but these are my new Hope Hoops Pro 4 wheels with Tech Enduro rims. I'm going to be putting them on my Trek Remedy bike just there. Yeah, so I skipped ahead and doing the unboxing thing. So I got Pro 4 hubs, Tech Enduro rims, nice all black. Alright, and then the back one I put the cassette on today, bike shop. Again, Tech Enduro, SRAM cassette, Pro 4, both boost. Hope are really good by giving you 2 spokes and 2 nipples and a sticker per wheel. So shouldn't have any dramas. Hopes are built to last anyway. I'm going to put my homemade bike stand up here and then I'll see you soon. So yeah, as you can see, all brakes and stuff are on, ready to rock and roll. Now for the time that you've been waiting for. Are you ready? Holy! Hope Pro 4 sound and sort of unboxing. Cheers for watching.